make sure you brought a pack of fireworks for tonight, because today is the 4th of July.
Man, I really love these fireworks blasting in my mind. I think I should take a nap for me.
Hey, Sapphire, wake up. I got something special to tell you. Come on, Sapphire, wake up.
What? Oh, hi Joseph. What do you really want?
You wouldn't even answer me while I was talking to you. Where have you been in your mind?
I was taking a nap after watching the news on TV.
Well, guess what? I got a call from Radio Star and she said she wants to invite us out tonight. She at the North Carolina beach. So we should go there and bring fireworks for her.
Oh boy. I can't wait to go to the beach. Let's go.
I think we are arriving at the NC beach where Radio Star is there.
I know. I'm so excited to see her.
Good to see you, Joseph and Sapphire. I would thought you would arrive late.
I agree. Let's spend our time having fun at the beach. Are you guys going to wear bikinis?
Nope. I'm good because I'm wearing sunglasses.
Okay, well, I'm putting sunscreen to prevent sunburns on my skin.
Alright, now that it's nighttime, we should grab and launch fireworks into the air. Okay, now that we set up 2 fireworks near us, I will go first to fire mines with a lit lighter.
Wow, that's so cool. Let me try. Now I'm going to light my fireworks like how you did. Why is my firework not going up?
Okay, sometimes fireworks fails to go up and instead explodes on the ground.
Gosh, I knew that was going to happen. Isn't it just me or my bad luck?
Joseph, I need your help for my firework.
What do you really want, Sapphire? Wait, I thought you were going to help me.
Well, it's too late for you, Joseph. It's funny to see Joseph getting dragged by my firework.
Why did you have to tie Joseph to your firework and drag him to the air?
Because I want to spice things up a lot.
Well, you just can't tie someone to your firework. You could have got him hurtfully injured or even killed.
Well, hello girls. How are you two doing here?
Oh, me, Joseph, and Sapphire were playing with fireworks at the beach. We really need more fireworks.
No worries, I brought a prototype called the 4th of July gun. It fire explosive and flammable firecrackers on any place. I will fire multiple firecrackers to the air.
Gimme the gun, Tomato Head. I want to shoot firecrackers to the air by myself.
What the hell, Peely? I have the rights to use my gun, not yours.
Yes, I will. You give the gun to me right now, you fool.
Oh crud. Enough is enough. Put that gun right now. What in the world is going on with you guys? Firing firecrackers to places to destroy and set them on fire? You even almost killed me. How would it be funny if you try to ruin the 4th of July? It's supposed to be a perfect one, not a disaster. Hey, what happened to your headphones, Joseph?
Just don't ask Radio Star. As if I was saying, why would you tie me to your firework and launch me to the air? That's dangerous to anyone. You're lucky that I somehow survived, but you should know better than this. How could you do this to your partner, like me?
I'm so sorry, Joseph. I just want to spice things up. Please forgive me. It was meant to be a prank.
You know what, Sapphire? Since your apology feels sorry to me, I will accept it. Just don't do this to me again.
Okay, I'm going to fire somewhere else like that tool house.
That tool house actually has fireworks inside. Run, everyone.
What in tarnation? Who would even store fireworks inside of a tool house? Wow, this is the greatest fireworks moment I ever experienced in my life. You know what? I think we should go sail to out the ocean.
That's a great idea, Joseph. I will also be giving you a replacement headphones. Let's go.
Well, I will just stay there in the beach.
Hey, Sapphire, can you set the firework right on your back?
Sure I can, Joseph.
Wow, that's so cool. But bad news is, we are stuck in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean.
Don't worry. We still have this propeller attached to our boat. We will arrive back to our home in no time.
Sorry, but I need this propeller to chew as metal.
No, give US that propeller. We need IT to get US back home. Well, great. What now, Sapphire?
Now that I got this propeller from a boat, I can shoot on this. Oh, come on. Now I just dropped the propeller in underwater.